Hey everyone. So first of all, welcome to BYU Hawaii Investment Society, and we're so glad that you have decided to join our organization. We are very excited to have you, and we look forward to be able to work with you and also to give you insights on how to invest. So just a couple of things. We've heard a lot of responses that they aren't able to see their invitations, and so we wanted to try and see if we could help out first. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to walk you through on how to check your organizations and your invitations, and then we're going to see how it works, and then to be able to make sure that you get signed up. Because for our first event, we typically have it open to the public, but our upcoming events, we have those for members only. So we want to make sure that you're in there. So first off, let's go and sign in. So in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see a sign in button. Make sure that you are signed in. If you are not signed in, you will not be able to see the invitations from any of the clubs that you've joined. So be sure to click that. Okay. And now I'm going to put my credentials here and we'll log in a bit. And yeah, so we are officially logged in. And you know that we're logged in if you can see your picture there on the upper right corner. And when you click on your picture, you will see that there is a sign out button. So that's how we know that you are logged in already. So we are already logged in and we want to find out all our invitations. So it's really simple. All you have to do is scroll down until you see this portion that says My Organizations. And in My Organizations, you're going to receive all the invites and all the other activities and all the clubs that have sent you an invitation to join their clubs. And so be sure to press on that. So this is the one that you're going to want, the one I'm hovering over right now. And you will see in this page on invitations, I have an invitation from the Investment Society. And so it's inviting me to become a member for this one. So the first thing that I need to do is click accept. And this is the part where it becomes very, very important. So some students will click accept and then they will leave the page. For example, if I click accept and if I go back to the home page, I will see that the invitation is still pending. So what you have to do is you have to click accept and then you have to click this confirm button here at the bottom. So once you have done that for other clubs, if you wanted to decline their invitation, if you want to accept their invitation, you are ready to click this, click confirm. And once you click confirm, you are now a member of this society. You can confirm that by going here to where your picture is, go down to My Organizations. And once you're in My Organizations, you will see here that you are a member. It will show you here that there is a member here. And you can go to the organization site. It will lead you to another page. You can see here that you're recorded or that you are in. So I hope this helps. You should also be able to see here, member since May 2024. I hope this helps you guys, and I hope this answers any of the questions or concerns that you have. If not, feel free to reach out to me or to any of my fellow officers, and we will help you as best as we possibly can. So thank you so much. Hope you guys have a good day.